Affiliate Marketing 101, The Basics That Lead to Success. Affiliate marketing is a well-kept secret of multinational corporations. For the everyday business owner, it can serve the same benefit for your outfit as it does for them. This video outlines a variety of tips and a bit of sound advice that can help you capitalize on affiliate marketing. A great way to make sure that your site is interesting is to choose a topic that you like. If you are writing about a site and advertising for things that suit you, then it will be easier and more interesting. Advertising for what you love is the #1 rule for affiliate marketing. You should select affiliate marketing partners that offer products closely related to your website's focus. This is not a case of encouraging the competition but simply smart business. Visitors to your website are most likely to purchase products related to the topics that brought them to you in the first place. By selecting affiliates that provide such products, you will increase the chance of successful sales. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to test products before you advertise them. If you are displeased with the product, it is likely that your customers or subscribers will be as well. Advertising an unsatisfactory product will decrease your credibility and trustworthiness, while advertising a quality product will do the opposite. If you are attempting to market multiple products after the success of your first campaign in affiliate marketing, you should try to keep the product in relatively the same market. You already know how to promote a product within this market. So remember this analogy: don't go from fixing cars to fixing airplanes. Taking the unique approach that affiliate marketing offers your business can be one of the best business decisions you will make. Forging long-lasting and secure relationships with partner businesses has the potential to greatly widen your consumer access. It is an intelligent and noteworthy direction toward marketing and profit procurement. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.